Condo living in Florida. It's all about enjoying the sunshine, the views, and the amenities. But who wants to spend their precious free time cleaning? That's where Florida Cleaning Service Pros comes in. We're your partners in maintaining a spotless condo, so you can focus on what really matters, living your best Florida life. Whether you're a full-time resident, a snowbird, or an investor with a vacation rental, we understand the unique cleaning needs of condo living. From high-rise apartments to beachfront units, we've got you covered. Condo Owner 1. With Florida Cleaning Service Pros, I never worry about the condition of my condo. It's always immaculate when I arrive, and that makes all the difference in my stay. What sets our condo cleaning service apart? Let's break it down. 1. Condo expertise. We understand the specific needs and challenges of condo spaces. 2. Flexible scheduling. Whether you need regular cleaning or just before and after your stays, we adapt to your schedule. 3. Attention to detail. From balconies to bathrooms, we ensure every inch sparkles. 4. Trustworthy service. Our team is background checked and insured, giving you peace of mind. Our commitment to excellence has earned us a 5-star rating from condo owners across Florida. Condo Owner 2. As an Airbnb host, cleanliness is crucial. Florida Cleaning Service Pros consistently delivers top-notch results, leading to great reviews from my guests. We proudly serve condos in DeSoto County, Glades County, Hardy County, Highlands County, Okeechobee County, Polk County. With our headquarters in Lake Placid, we're perfectly positioned to serve condo communities throughout these areas. Our comprehensive condo cleaning services include regular maintenance cleaning, deep cleaning, move-in and move-out cleaning, vacation rental turnover cleaning, post-renovation cleaning, window cleaning, interior and balcony and patio cleaning. We understand that condo cleaning comes with its own set of challenges. Working within HOA guidelines, navigating parking and elevator logistics, maintaining security protocols. Rest assured, our experienced team handles these with professionalism and ease. A clean condo is more than just aesthetics. It's about creating a healthy living environment, maintaining your property value, ensuring a stress-free experience for you or your guests. Condo Owner 3. Florida Cleaning Service Pros has been a game-changer for my rental property. Their reliability and attention to detail have made managing my condo from out of state so much easier. Ready to elevate your condo living experience? Contact us today at our phone number or visit flcleaningservice.com to schedule your first cleaning. Mention this video and receive a special new condo client discount. Florida Cleaning Service Pros, bringing resort-level cleanliness to your condo so you can enjoy the Florida lifestyle to the fullest. Your condo, our commitment.